Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Say hi, YouTube. Say hey guys. Check out my new sneakers. They're Paw Patrol sneakers. Woo! Okay, so anyway, today's video is going to consist of just a whole house clean with me. We're going to be cleaning our living room. All we have to do left is vacuum and fold all these clothes over here. Right there. Whoop. Whole thing. And then we're going to clean our kitchen. We're going to clean our bedroom. And that's it. That's all in the house that has to be cleaned. So it's our whole house clean routine. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure you click the like button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like it. And then it tells me what you guys would like to see next. The princess has arrived. Okay, so anyway, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button down below. And then subscribe and join our YouTube family. I'd love to have you guys. I'm always decluttering, I'm always cleaning, always having videos that are enjoyable, mommy vlogs, breastfeeding 101, anything like that. If anything that is described to you, KonMari, make sure you guys subscribe if anything you liked, I described. So anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video, and I will see you guys at the end. Don't forget, if you guys want to clean along with me, like if you ever want to workout buddy, you know, this is the same thing. Clean along with me. Put me on your phone, on your computer, on your TV, whatever you want, and just clean along with me, and we'll get straight to this video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Here's the overview of my bedroom. We had eaten out tonight. And there's a few things in here from tonight, of course, because I've been really lazy. I haven't wanted to do anything. But this is the real deal. I'm showing you guys exactly what my room looks like. I'm not holding back. This is an ultimate clean with me for a reason. And we're going to get started here in a few moments. I'm just going to walk around the whole room to show you. Obviously, this doesn't belong in here. You guys know it's potty chair if you have kids. Same with this little teddy bear. It's supposed to be out there. This is just what this looks like. And there's Novelli eating her noodles. So, let's get started.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 by you. Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And comment down below. Let me know something that you guys do in your house all the time, whether it's an everyday routine, ritual, whatever it is. Novelle's now putting all my finished, apparently unfolded clothes now back into the hamper. She's throwing them in there, so I'll have to do that again. But that's what happens when you have kids. It would be fun, they said. It's fun for the most part, don't get me wrong, but don't have kids till you're at least in your 20s. That's all I'm saying. Don't have kids young. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe down below also. I would love to have you guys here as part of my YouTube family. And thank you so much all for your support. I love every single one of you. Until I see you guys next time, God bless. See you soon. Bye.